Hi, today I'm going to show you a real cheap and easy way to expand your battery capacity. This is a 12-volt battery. I made it myself. It's a lithium-ion battery. It's made out of these cells, or cells like these. But you can actually use any 12-volt battery if you want to increase the capacity of most power stations. This is the AllPowers S700. It has 606 watts. It's rated, the battery capacity is rated for that. And this battery that I made myself has 350 watts or watt hours. So you can actually increase the battery capacity of more than 50% by using this external battery. And all you have to do is to connect the DC output to the power station's DC input. And as you can see, right away it begins to charge. Now it's at 99%, so it won't be charging for that long. But anyhow, and this is just a watt meter that will show you that it's charging at 60 watts. And that's it. That's how easy it is to actually increase your battery capacity of your power station to up to, well, this is just 50% or 60%. But you can use a much larger battery if you want to, and you can increase it, well, probably indefinitely. If you're buying a new power station, this is not the way I would recommend you to go. I would recommend you to buy the power station that you need with the battery capacity, because it's a lot easier than to have to carry around a spare battery. But let's say that you bought a battery 2 years ago and you've been using it almost daily, then the battery capacity will be lower than when you bought it. And then this will be a good way to actually increase the battery capacity again. It's also a good way, let's say you bought more gear and you need more power, or you're going to be out on a longer trip, then it's really good. And let's say you have a solar panel with you and you connected the power station to the solar panel, then you can also connect the battery to the DC output. You can actually charge the battery up again. Just keep in mind that depending on what battery you're using, it might be damaged if you discharge it too low or you try to charge it to high voltage. This one has a built-in BMS, which means that the battery management system, so this won't be able to, the power station won't be able to drain power below a certain voltage, and when charging it, it will stop charging at a certain voltage. So there's no problem with this battery, but there's something you have to keep in mind if you're using a lead acid battery, for example. And that's it. That's a real easy way to improve your battery capacity, and it's a really cheap way as well. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will leave a link down in the comment to this watt meter. It's really good, I love it, and also the power station and discount code if you want to use that. If you have any questions, or you want to just tell me that I'm an idiot for doing this, write a comment below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I would also love if you just subscribe to my channel. It means a lot and it will help me do more videos. I think that's it. I hope you have a good day, take care, and stay strong. Bye.